Good morning. This is Joanne out here at the lake. This lake is right by my house. There was an eagle that just flew into a tree really close to me. Some ducks landing. But the lake is just smooth as glass this morning. Anyways, I am just watching for an eagle to come and go fishing right underneath me. See Twin Peaks reflecting right there through those trees. And the eagle's in a tree just down from me. But there are eagles all around this lake. So, if I get a picture, I will definitely put it on here, but I need to use my other camera to catch them fishing, so I just wanted to take a picture for you so that you could see how pretty it is out here. Can't believe it's December. This is going to be a problem, though. No water and too warm in temperatures. The trees, cottonwoods, are all budded out. And the ash trees. Anyways, I don't know what that's going to do to our summer or spring, but we will probably have some hard freezes. And when we do, that could be a problem. Well, I have this camera. There's an eagle. I don't know if we can see him fishing. If he fishes there. Probably snagged a fish. Here comes another eagle. Sometimes when one gets a fish, the other one tries to steal it. If that doesn't work, I will go around and get another. There's 3 eagles now. But I can't keep up with all of them, so. That is a ways across the lake, I'm just saying. So I may put down my phone, pick up my other camera, see if I can find the eagle in the tree or some fishing a little closer to me. There's another place down the other end of the lake where all the seagulls are. Those are mergansers out there in the water. Common mergansers. And there's at least 1,000 of them along there. But they are very spread out. Along that shoreline because I saw another bald eagle going down there, but they're everywhere, but I'd make you dizzy if I tried to keep up with them. So back to my other camera, and good morning, Happy New Year.